Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry goat Trinidad style easy method. Start by trimming and cutting the goat into medium chunks, then season with salt, pepper, curry powder, thyme, and pimento. Brown the meat on high heat to develop deep flavor, deglaze the pot, add water and chopped potatoes if desired, then simmer gently until the meat is tender and the sauce thickens to a rich, spicy gravy. Marinate the goat in a bright spice blend to infuse flavor before cooking. Combine curry powder, crushed garlic, grated ginger, lime juice, a splash of soy sauce, and chopped thyme. Let the meat sit for at least an hour or overnight for best results. When ready, pat the meat dry, reserve the marinade for later, and proceed to brown the pieces. The caramelized bits will make your curry taste truly island authentic and deeply satisfying. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more island recipes. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a thoughtful read to enjoy while your curry simmers, offering clear ideas about money and freedom that pair oddly well with slow cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a cup of tea, and now let's get back to the video. Brown the marinated goat in batches to create a flavorful base and avoid crowding the pan. After browning, deglaze with a little water, return all meat to the pot, add chopped onions, tomatoes, and reserved marinade, then cover and simmer gently. Cook until the meat is fork tender and the sauce reduces to a luxurious consistency. Finish with chopped cilantro or chadanbini and serve hot with rice, roti, or fry bakes for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.